A recent drop in global markets has seen commodities prices boom. Gold Fields CEO Nick Holland tells us what this means for gold producers.
Well, if it stays up at these levels, we'll make a lot more money, I think, which is nice because there are a lot of other demands being placed on mining companies, increased taxes and royalties and wages. So I think it is something that the industry needs, and I think it's been a long time coming. It's probably beyond my expectations where we are today, and certainly it's beyond our planning parameters. We certainly wouldn't plan at these parameters going forward, and we'd always adopt a much more conservative approach in the business. But it is a welcome outcome for us, and I think what we've got to do is push on. And the one thing that we do is we don't get stars in our eyes about the gold price. And when we look at our projects that have to be funded over a long period of time in particular, and have to operate over a long period of time, we've got to make sure that those projects can withstand all of the volatility that we're likely to see in commodity prices. And we know that commodities can go both ways. So it's great, and we'll enjoy it while it's here, but it doesn't change our focus on creating a very defensible portfolio going forward that can withstand any sort of price range, even from the more conservative price forecast to where we are today, or even beyond. Some people obviously are talking it beyond where we are today. We're keeping our feet on the ground. Over the last year in particular, we've managed to restrict our cost increases to only 5%. Okay. So that's been a very good performance, over the last year. Particularly given electricity increases, fuel increases. Fuel has gone from like $70 up to $130 and back down again, but it's still 30 to 40% higher than what it was 15 months ago. We've withstood all of those input changes and still contain our costs well. So I think the guys have done a great job on cost control, and it's something that we'll have to continue doing. It's part of our whole process of operational excellence.